Narendra Modi was born on 17 September 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat, to a lower middle class family of grocers. He has proved that success has nothing to do with caste, creed, or where a person belongs to. His father's name is late Damodaras Mulchand Modi and his mother's name is Hirban Modi. He has 5 siblings and he is the third eldest among 6. In his childhood days, Modi helped his father in selling tea at the Vadnagar railway station and later ran a tea stall with his brother near a bus terminus. In 1967, he had completed his higher secondary education in Vadnagar at the age of 8 years. He joined Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS. He does not want to marry, so he left home at the age of 17 and travelled across the country for the next 2 years. In 2 years, he visited many ashrams founded by Swami Vivekananda. He came back to Vadnagar and after some time he again left for Ahmedabad. There Modi lived with his uncle who worked in the canteen at Gujarat State Road Transport Corporation. He was so influenced by the RSS that he became the full-time Parachak at the age of 20. He joined RSS in 1971. In his area, in the early 1970s, he set up a unit of RSS students wing, namely Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. His association with the organization was significantly benefited his political career. He has completed the Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science at the University of Delhi. He also completed his Master degree in Political Science from Gujarat University. He joined the BJP and a year later he was made the General Secretary of Gujarat branch of the party. In 1995, he was recognized as a key strategic for being instrumental in successfully campaigning for the party. In 1995, he was appointed as the Secretary of the BJP's National Unit. In 1988, in Gujarat Assembly elections, BJP came as the ruling party in Gujarat. He was credited for carrying the responsibility of revamping the organization of party in various states. In 1988, he became the General Secretary and holds the position till 2001. After it, he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. His predecessor, Keshbhai Patel, resigned from the post due to health reasons. Also, BJP lost few state assembly seats in by-elections. He took the oath on 7 October 2001 as the CM of Gujarat. On 24 February 2002, he won by-election to the Rajkot 2 constituency and won the assembly election by defeating Oza Yatinabai Narendra Kumar of INC. And in the second term, he was retained as a CM of Gujarat. His third term of CM was from 23 December 2007 till 20 December 2012. He also won from Maninagar. He resigned in 2014 from an assembly. The Modi contested 2014 Lok Sabha elections for the first time. He won the election by a large margin and sworn in as the Prime Minister of India on 26 May 2014. He also became the first Prime Minister of India who born after India's independence from the British Empire and the first PM of India whose mother is still alive when he took the office. He also done many schemes. They are Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Swachh Bharat, Mudra Bank Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, Make in India, Garib Kalyan Yojana, E-Basta, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Bade Bharat, Nayi Manzil Yojana, Stand Up India, Atal Pension Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Sagarmala, Smart Cities, Digital India, Schools Nursery Yojana, Gold Monetization Scheme. By his difficulties faced by him to come up to PM is very great. We should all learn